死んでいる。何？もうは匠でギゼブ。
Legal! Drop you again! Drop you again!
I'll be talking to myself. Shout out to the Massive and crew, man. Shout outs to my peeps, man. Shout out to Joe, my brother. Repping, man. Repping. Shout out to my peeps and that. Yeah, I've been here, guys. I've been busy doing real life work. Living a real life. But I've been here. And that chief is still up in the building. I got some good news, man. I'm going to send you a message. God is good. God is always on our side. You know how we're repping, man. Shout out to Massive Crew. Let's go. Yes, go. God, man, wagwan. Yeah, man, I have some good news, man. What is the good news? Yeah, man. You will see, man, I'll do a vlog. We got some good news. God, man, where have you been? I'm gonna leave the good news in the whatchamacallit, the Discord. God has blessed us, man. Yeah. No, I ain't get a PS5 back. Yeah, I really wish I did get a PS5 back. But I didn't get a PS5 back, sorry. It's something better than that. Yeah. That could benefit me, man. Yeah, I've still been here, man. I've just been doing real life work. You guys know I've been editing, pushing. Yeah. Well, one of the good news is, that is a good question of where I've been. I like you a lot, and I'm watching you. No, thank you. Thanks. No, thank you, Mr. Silence. Thank you. Yeah. Alright, here we go, man. One of the first good news is I got a little upgrade for the Nintendo Switch. Include a 1 TB memory card. Now I need to go fill it with a lot of games. 1 TB, that is crazy. And plus I got a new controller, Joy-Con. It's one of the good news. Yeah. I got some new stuff for Sinus Gaming on the whole, man. So we were able to make better content. I mean, God bless, let no one curse, man. I just need like guys, I'm trying to. I also got a new PC. Getting a new PC coming in, man. That's good. A way better laptop, like I'm getting a real good laptop. Get what I'm saying, guys? Grateful. Grateful is the word. God is good. One second, guys. I'll read that shortly. Yeah, every time I play against these dudes online, I'll be hitting 8th place, 7th place. Let me read what you guys say. I've been around, I have to go. No, got to do something. So see ya. Tell Adachi, hey, if Adachi comes around. Okay, I know Adachi probably here. She's probably doing some work while watching the live stream. Adachi, I love you, my friend. Thank you very much for everything that you've done. But that's good news. I got a brand new dope laptop. It's shipping in. I worked really hard. And also with the help of my bro. I got through, man. It's on its way today, man. Shipping off to the location. So yeah, got something good, man. I'm hoping this could open up some new doors so we can do some better content and stuff. And I'm happy too because I got a better laptop, so I'll be able to edit. Because this one, not this one that I'm using to stream, talking about this one that I use here to edit all my vlogs and everything. It's dying, my old and faithful, man. Round the Perry. Why do I keep going around here? Why do I keep... No, thank you. Why do I keep on? Yo, why did I jump? Run. Why do I keep on coming 8 or 17 in these races? Let's go! Yo!
Sit down. How you been?
How you been? Okay, I'm gonna definitely tell Adachi hi. Hi, Adachi! I know you here. You can hear me. And also, I got a Pro controller, guys. So, I got 2 more new Joy-Cons. Ordered 2 more Joy-Cons. I got a Pro controller slot thing. That thing, you slide them in. They turn them into one. And I got a 1 terabyte hard drive for the Nintendo Switch. But I'm gonna need some game. And I also got my new laptop. Why? A laptop is quite pricey. Very expensive, but God is good. God is good. We get it. Yeah. Plus, I got I'm gonna need somewhere to put my Xbox. I gotta put my Xbox down here. I got something that will convert my, hopefully it will work. Convert my Xbox with all the classic games. Yeah. All the classic games. I'll be able to play them on my Elgato. Run the yacht! I'm always the last place. Well, I always got them place, yeah. Alright, here we go. Wow. Wow. I got my question. Drive now, youth! I'm in 9th place. I can't believe this. With the weird run about the man them a beat me. I have to take back my 8th place, you know. My 8th place, boy, I go dead. Dead, just dead. Golden mushroom. Round the Perry. Where you do? Wow! Jive! Yo, me never happy for the 8th place in my life, so yet. Yo! No, sir! Yo! I've never been so happy to be in 8th place in my life before you. Yo! That's crazy. Shout out to the Massive End crew. Y'all the greatest in the world, man. I love you. Can't wait to get my brand new machine. No problems. Alright, so guys, when I get it, I have to put it beside this old machine. Because you see what happens is, this machine is dying, but it makes no sense I transfer over everything as yet, because there's a way I can kind of fix it, but it's kind of expensive. And the first Sinus getting the laptop is around the back. I need to fix that and give that to me, Sinus. Yeah, I need a power supply. So if you guys have any connection on any Dell Latitude power supply, let me know. I don't need it free. I'm gonna pay you. Stop tripping, boy. I'm begging. I'm just asking for the discount. Let's go. Do a dog. Jump. Sorry. I got you, McGee. I'll wait there. Don't near me. Yo, I've never played this stage before. This is nice. It's such a nice stage. Look, boy, move now. Oh boy, don't jump off, you know. Aww. Wicked. That's so dope. That is so dope. Run the money. It's such a nice stage. It's Yoshi's stage. It's my stage. Yay! Come on, Yoshi. You got to do this. No, you can't do that at my stage, ugly boy. 10th place? No, sir. Something alright. Yo, show you make money come here other than beat us, sir. Guys, it's so super hot here. All of we are burn up. I haven't seen a Dutch in a while. Kind of low-key worried about my friend. Wicked. Here we go. Yeah, come on for me. Yeah, 5th place, let's go. I've never been so happy to be in 5th place, guys. Stop playing with me. Don't play with my 5th place, youth. Don't play with my 5th place. Why are you running? Don't play with my 5th place, ugly boy. Jappy again. What's up, guys? The boy Sanders coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe, you know, say. Come on, my bed. You know, say, I be a foolish, me a chat. You know, this is a result of tiredness and stress. I come to my bed early today, yeah? But I'm so happy to be here with you guys. Oh, God. Building the vibes right now in a youth. I'm sending this message out to anybody out there. If you're hearing me right now, you are awesome. Let me hear them, boy. I got you. What stage is that? Alright, here we go, guys. Shout out to the Massive Ink crew. Big up to all my people that's supporting me. Y'all the greatest in the world, man. Let's go. 2, 3, 4. Oh, yeah. Run there, Perry, run there. How you do that? Which stage is this? What stage is this? Take away your money on me run there. Don't know me say about I want that by the rooftop. What stage is this? It's bad. What stage is this? Mad! Mad! Shut him. Oh, you me the third place. Me the second place. Ah! Don't go on, me chat too much. Gotta keep it focused, man. Let's go. We'll take away something for ugly boy. Yo! Already. Watch out. Before me go drop. Me know say that come to me now. Jive! Watch to the way the world are going now, because they just love me, yeah? There's a circuit. Come out of here now. Ugly dinosaur, man, big nose. Yeah, I'm skipping, you know, love. I joke, my friend. Luigi! Yoshi! Jive! Wicked in a youth. You say I want a wicked boy. Yo, that gave me a thief. Yo, that gave me. Ah! Sure. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you, you ugly game, you. I hate you. Ugly cooking oil. I hate you, you ugly game, you. You're so ugly. Guys, I got a 1 terabyte hard drive for my Nintendo Switch. Shout out to 1 terabyte. Do you know how much game? Hey, me I gonna make game till me 12. Ah! Run the Perry! Run there! Little boy! Run the boy! Run the Perry! Slap that in that face. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Hold that. Run the boy. Run the Perry. Run there. Run there. Thief something. Banana you really come be bad man you. Keep man love me. Run there, Perry. Run there. 4th place. Take a boy. Take a boy's space. That's carry me come. You tell for pass me. No pass me out. No pass me out. Fire for that. Oh! Yeah, we did it, guys. Guys, me level up. Me not there 8th place no more. Me there 4th. Talk to me. Me almost medal. When you favor rings out close. Nobody talk to me. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. When you favor rings out close. 4th place me there. Tap me and me couldn't know. Wash and rinse. Other man I know so ugly, so man. Other man I look so man. Banana here, in other years, why my nose look so? Looks like a gold's but you know what, let me shut up. Leave it. Man have a egghead. It's a egghead. Egghead boy. He's a egghead boy. Egghead boy. He's a egghead boy. Egghead boy. Run the game, papa, run the boy. Fire for that. Jive, no boy, jive! Driving bombs. Jive! No, but somebody has a look for something now. Fourth place, me there. Level up. Level up, level up, level up. Yeah! Mama, come! Seven. You jump from fourth place to eighth place here. No, you. Something right. The fourth place here. Jive no, jive no, jive no. Channel star, 7th place. Me lose. Me lose everybody. Because my hype, me get flap. Because me did there 5th place, me get flap. Don't no playing. You the ugly boy a joke. Let us not use let us not use those words right now. Let us use friendly words. I love you and appreciate you. Yeah. Shout out to the Massive crew right now. My name is Sam from Kingston, Jamaica, representing. Let's keep it going. Shout out to Adachi. Shout out to my friends. Yeah. Adachi, I know you grind and put it in the word. Let's kick it off. Let's play do something for Adachi, my friend. Let's do something. Let's give Adachi a sound effects. Let's go. Go! Yay! Jiving. Why my cat always drive so slow? Boy, come. All right. Let's go. I'm fighting, guys. I want to be. Yo, I never imagined I'm fighting for last place, guys. I played against these dudes around the world. They are epic. I am fighting for last place. Can you believe it, guys? I'm fighting so hard for 5th place. It is ridiculous. Yo, Guys, give me a couple of seconds. Let me go get some water quickly. Because listen me. It's came back just in time. Look, Hyrule, we have Link's house. Look like it's out of here. Go! Sword of time, yay! Zelda Ocarina of Time. I love that game. I have that. By the way, I have that game, guys. One day I'm gonna play it on my Nintendo 64. Yes, I got a Nintendo 64. I got a Dreamcast. I got a Sega Genesis. I got a Super Nintendo. I got a Nintendo. I got a Game Boy. I got a Game Boy DS. I got a Switch. I got an Xbox. Yeah. I used to have an Xbox 360. Yeah. I have a PlayStation 4 and I used to have a PlayStation 5. Yeah, boy. I got a friend that has a Wii U. I need to go check it out. Pull that Bowser. What? Them lying? Pull that Bowser. Come on, man. Come on, man. 6th place. Bruh. I'm vexed. I was doing so good. I guess I popped my stars too easily or early. That's what happened, man. I'll be popping stars too early. I'm very excited, guys. But my bro saying the same thing to me. What am I gonna do with so much space on my Nintendo Switch? 1 terabyte in this upgrade. Oh, I gotta figure out some way I can get some games on it. I can't afford to mod it. That's like 400 US. Oh hell no. That would be good though. Cause guess what? I could get any game I want on it. Water is life, guys. Water is life! Shout out to the Massive Inku, man. Let's charge. Let's go. Fart of the day. So the fart of the day is Fart of the day is in Kingston, Jamaica. People are making the biggest deal over a beat that's made by the Genius, or top producer, and DJ Mac, the other young top producer in Jamaica. But that's the fart of the day. Stay tuned for more. Jesus Christ. Idiot boy. Good luck. Good luck. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Why are the plants walking? Man, you never. Yo, that gave me a tip. Come over there. Find the way over. Yeah, man, you want it? Go ahead. You see how I hit me a while ago. Go ahead. Come in front of me. Line him up. Look. Who a lot? Them a come. Yeah. Power! Yeah. Launch. Now one before. Final pandemic youth. And they've not touched it yet. Yo, what you do? Alright. What place? Let's go! Another fart of the day is. What is the fart of the day? A man stab up one woman in Jamaica because the woman asked for her $1,000 with him who are. That's the fart of the day. My country will do the worst things them, brother. How can you owe somebody money, them ask for it, and you go stab them up? A fart of the day. Another fart of the day. Go get it. It's in the basket, the red thing. Stop tripping, boy. Let's go to Rainbow. Alright, let's go. Alright, here we go, man. I feel like a G. Feeling the vibe. Feeling the vibe. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire hour! Let's go! You ready, man? Let's go. I'll be fighting for the first place. And boy, I bad do me not lie still. Come in, you run the chat now. Cloud Turkle boy, come on to know how come Turkle dey on Cloud. Turkle not the ground, man. Don't tell me the internet itch. Run the youth. Round the Perry. Yo, them man a thief. Oh, them man a can't so fast. I always wonder when I play them game here. Like if something wrong with my control. Oh, them man a can't so fast, my lord. Pass. Yeah, all right. Then go on and front in my G. Don't come here for this. All right. Jesus Christ. Watch it, man. Line up. Boom. Line up. Jesus, Father. Let's go. Round the Perry. Yeah? Go on yourself, man. Find first place, boy. Find him. While you are first place. Okay. Drive no. Yo, that gave me a thief. Boy, me the second place and now me the seventh. Pass. Pass me. Boy, you dumb as hell. Pem. Yo, these players that I'm playing against around the world, them deadly. Man, them cruel and deadly, youth. Give me a second, guys. Round the Perry. Yay! Vamos, ponte con ese ugly boy. You give me a thief? that game here. Yo, me hate that game here, yo. Right, me lose communication. Huh? Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, that's something. Alright, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try that for you. Let's try some new people, guys. You notice I'm swimming, right? You can hear it, right? Keep doing dumb stuff. Sorry about that, guys. Kids, they always do dumb stuff, but we understand. Alright, guys, back into the motion. Get through to the ocean, guys. Right now, I'm on a roll. I spent a lot of money on this new machine with the help of my brother also. Shout out to my bro Joe. You the greatest in the world. Shout out to Adachi, I'm a friend. Let's go. This new machine cost me a fortune. I gotta work back everything, guys. In editing, content, and streaming. This new laptop is very expensive, man. Gotta put in the work because I want to put everything that I'm making from it and get myself my brand new PlayStation 5. But before that, I'm gonna also I'm gonna be repairing my PlayStation 4. I need a brand new power supply, so I need to go call my cousin up, let him go sort that out so I can play it for the meantime until I get my my PS5. So I might just put it right where I had the PlayStation 5, which is here for the time being. Yeah, I'm gonna put it where I had the PlayStation 5 for the time being until I get the PlayStation 5 again. I'm play some GT on it too. Yeah. Try to go grind. I don't know what's happening. So let's wait. Alright, here we go, guys. Here we go. Boom. Boom. Run the carry. Wow, this is so nice. Wow. So that gave me a teeth. Come on, this bird just after me. Oh, what's up? I remember playing this stage. Move now, ugly boy. Wow. Lock it in. Come on, no man. Wow. Yo, me hate that game here, youth. Yo, me hate that game here. My youth. Look at that third place and Japas. A seventh place. Are you serious? This is crazy. Here we go, guys. All right. Let me test out Toad Harbor. Yeah, but big ups, man. Shout out to the Massive Ink crew, man. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Blast off. Yeah, last place. Let me see how good jeez. Ah. Wow. I'm so hurt. What an earthquake. What? Oh, I thought I did. One second, guys. Alright, here we go, guys. Leo, did you give your mom the stuff that I said to give her? The what? Mad! Round it. Well, a flyer in my mouth. Lock it. Launch. Launch. Yeah, for the first time in my life, I come first. For the first time. First time, guys. Proudly. Proudly, I came first. I feel so happy. I'm just playing random stages, guys. Some good sauce there, boy. Alright, guys, here we go. Wow. Don't do that. Don't do that. Alright, guys, I came third. I tried my best. Top three. I really thought I was gonna come first or second, guys. So I came top. This sauce is fire. I'll eat all that vegetable off, but I don't want to be greedy. Oh, I see why the mambo sauce, it's been finished, sold out so much. Here we go!
That's where the trumpets or the much of you.
Wow. All right. Them dudes really want me to be at the back. They be tripping, oh my God. They be dusting me out. Come on, guys. Come on. Go get him. Is there a new Mario Go-Kart out currently now? I'm not even sure. Let's go. Yatta! Wow. All the cows are on the way. Somebody's gonna hit me. I'm gonna be deadless. Oh my God. Give me something. Come on. Wow. 10th place. 10th place. Wow. 10th place. Alright guys, here we go. Which stage is this? Whose oil is this? Cooper? Ronde Perry, Ronde. La Perry. Whose stage is this? I don't even remember what stage is this. I'm gonna get that shot from this sound. Oh, they're Perry. No star. Out there, Perry. First place. First time, guys. Second time. Mhm. I found another character that I love, guys. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Yeah, what's wrong with this? Wow. all of that. Yes. I need the new headphones, guys. Alright, guys, here we go. Gonna hit by the rainbow track. Ellie. Flying so high with this one, boy. It's okay. Let me get there. I think they're all coming after me. This stage is crazy. What stage is this? Wow. Come on, man. Yes. Oh, I'm so happy. Yay. Yay, 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 yay. All right. Yawn. All right. this thing changes? What? What? I've never seen this before. That's crazy. That's a crazy trap. That's a crazy trap. I've never seen that before. Good go, guys. Wow. Okay. Come on, man. This is cool. Wow. Drive, my dude, drive. Why you ain't driving, bro? Drive. Come on. game be tripping, bro. You be doing too much. Alright guys, thank you very much for this live stream. I've done 2 hours and trying to stay structured as possible. I'm gonna take a break and I might come back later. But for now, this is the usual time. I'm working with my friend Adachi's time. That is suitable for me. Thank you very much, guys. God bless you. Shout out to the Massive Ink crew, and I love you guys very much. So yeah, I'm gonna see you in a bit. Adachi.